Get noticed. How to stand out as a buyer and get your offer accepted. As a home buyer, writing your best offer is not just about offering the highest price, but also presenting yourself as a serious and reliable buyer. Here are 4 important tips you need to know when making your offer stand out. Number 1, lean on a real estate professional. Buying a home can be stressful and daunting. This is why it's important to hire an agent who has expertise and knowledge to guide you through the transaction. They will know what has worked for other buyers in that area and what the seller's needs are to make your offer stand out. Number 2, know your budget. Understanding your finances and budget is important when deciding what to purchase. By crafting a compelling offer that showcases your financial readiness and commitment, you will increase your chances of getting your offer accepted. It also shows the seller that you are financially confident the closing of the transaction will actually happen. Number 3, think everything through before making the offer. The housing market is not moving as fast as it was during the pandemic. This allows you, as a buyer, a little bit more time to think about what you're making the offer on. According to Danielle Hale, chief economist at Realtor.com, and I quote, "In general, you're likely to have more time to make an offer. If you are on the fence about a home and its asking price doesn't quite fit your budget, you might want to keep an eye on it. And if it doesn't sell right away, there may be some negotiating room." Number 4, work with your real estate professional on what to negotiate. Over the last few years, when the market was in a frenzy, many buyers wrote contingency offers with limited or no inspections at all. Today's market is different. Work with your agent to consider what contingencies you will make on your offer to stand out with the seller. If you'd like more information on current market data or available inventory in your area, reach out to my team or myself so we can help you with your search and write the best offer up for your next home. Tara Otterback, Remax Heritage Properties, fulfilling dream, one home at a time.